Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the feature Studio in Canvas and how to use the video that you have created. So for creating a video, just click here and you can have the screen capture if you want to just have the video of what is showing here on your screen, or you can have a webcam, and in this case you don't see actually the image because I'm already in the other video. But you start recording, you select the webcam that you want to use, which is going to be this one. You want to start recording, and once you are done with the recording, you just click on finish. I like to save every file with a name, so test 2 video, and I save it so that I know how to find it, and just gives a good sense on how to recover the files. So once a video is completed and it is finalized, you can click on it, and now here you will have the options of adding details, comments. You can select where you want to save it. I put it in my uploads, so it's a place where I can actually access to it from all courses. And if you want to share the video, you go over here, and you're actually going to have different options. You can use a public link. In this case, you're going to have a link or an embedded code. So if, let's say that I made this video and I wanna have it in my announcement, for instance, I can just copy this embedded code, Control-C, I close it, and I can open the announcement page. I'm creating a new announcement. I put the title that I want to put, test video 2. And here, if I click on HTML edition, I can paste my embedded code, go back again, and here there will be the video that I actually have completed. And I can decide to share it with my students. So save, and it's going to be on the announcement for my students. So this is how you can share your video. Also, you can, going back to the studio, make sure you go back to the My Uploads, and here you have the other sharing, and you can either copy the link and send it out, or you can share it with specific students, for instance, or people, adding email and so forth. So this is all for the studio and how to share videos. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye now.